Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 7. We've met action verbs and linking verbs, but a verb is often more than one word, so today we look at verb phrases. A verb is often more than one word. Sometimes the main verb brings along some helpers, and together they form a verb phrase. One main verb plus all of its helping verbs. Look at this. Jill will have finished by then. The words will and have are helping verbs, and finished is the main verb, the one carrying the real meaning. Notice that the main verb comes last, at the end of the phrase. Put them together, will have finished, and that entire cluster is a single verb phrase. So which words can be helpers? They come in three families. First, the forms of be. Am, is, are, was, were, being, and been. Second, the forms of have. Has, have, had, and having. And third, a group of modals and others. Can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, and do, does, did. It's well worth memorizing these because whenever you spot one, a verb phrase is probably forming, with the main verb close behind. Now a classic trap. Little words like not, never, and always often sit right in the middle of a verb phrase, but they are not part of it. They're adverbs. Take this. The bees have not been buzzing. The verb phrase is have been buzzing. That word not stuck in the middle is an adverb, telling us whether the action happens. So here's the trick. Mentally cross out not, never, and always, and whatever verb words remain are your verb phrase. Let's turn that into a simple method. To find a verb phrase, you do two things. First, find the main verb, the last verb word, the one with the real meaning. Second, grab all the helpers sitting in front of it. Try it. The bees have been buzzing all afternoon. The main verb is buzzing. That's the action. The helpers in front are have and been. So the verb phrase is have been buzzing. Helpers plus main verb working together as one. One more wrinkle. Verb phrases don't always stay glued together. Other words can split them apart. This happens a lot in questions. Did you see the show? The verb phrase is did see, but the subject you jumped right into the middle. It also happens with adverbs. I have never tried sushi. The phrase is have tried, with never wedged inside. In both cases, the helpers and the main verb still belong to one phrase, even when other words come between them. So when you hunt for a verb phrase, just look right past the words that split it. Here's a sneaky one. Helping verbs love to hide inside contractions. When you see all go, that apostrophe LL is really I will go. So will is the helper. She's gone? That's she has gone, with has as the helper. And they're working means they are working, where are is the helper. So whenever you meet a contraction, just mentally expand it, and the hidden helping verb pops right back into view. One to finish. Jenny might have mentioned the party to Roger. Find the main verb first, the last one, mentioned. Then the helpers in front, might and have. So the full verb phrase is might have mentioned. Main verb plus helpers, spotted in seconds. Let's practice. Each sentence has a verb phrase. Pick the main verb, the last verb word, not the helpers. Pause and try before I answer. Mr. Ho has been keeping bees for 40 years. Has and been are the helpers. The main verb, the last verb word, is keeping. So the answer is keeping. A mistake like that could wreck all of our plans. Could is the helper. The main verb is wreck. So the answer is wreck. Many of us should be ready for a change. Tricky one. Should is the helper, and here the main verb is be itself. Ready is an adjective, not the verb. So the answer is be. Now pick the first helping verb in each phrase, the one that kicks off the verb phrase. Pause and try each. Our jazz band has received 7 awards this year. The main verb is received. The helper in front of it is has. So the first helping verb is has. That game must have thrilled everyone there. The phrase is must have thrilled. The first helping verb, leading it off, is must. So the answer is must. Will had eaten 7 hot dogs by the end. Careful, Will is a person's name here, not a helper. The phrase is had eaten, and the first helping verb is had. So the answer is had. Let's bring it together. A verb phrase is one main verb plus all of its helping verbs, and the main verb always comes last. The helpers are the forms of be and have, plus the modals like can, could, will, would, and must. And watch for not, never, and always. They hide inside the phrase, but they're adverbs, not part of it. Find the main verb, gather its helpers, and ignore those adverbs. Great work. In Lesson 8, we turn to the words that describe nouns, adjectives.